Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. A very good afternoon to you all. So we are back with close-up coins. There's actually going to be 7 coins to guess in this video. The first coins start off generally quite easy. When we get down to the 7th coin, that's when things really will start getting super difficult. Everyone is super amazing at this game. I am trying to keep it fun and exciting for everyone. I don't want to make it so nobody can get any of them right, but at the same time, I do want to try and keep it difficult for those as well who are somehow getting all of them right every single week. I have actually put a couple of loops on at the end from 1 to 7 with all the coins in, so then you can double check your answers and then you can get all of your 7 guesses in that comment section below. I'm going to leave it open until Friday, so plenty of time to get those guesses in, and then on Friday we'll go through all 7 of the answers and also see if anyone has managed to guess all 5 of these correct this week. Again, a huge shout out and a thank you to everyone that's watching the videos, subscribing to the channel, hitting that membership button. I honestly cannot thank you enough. It really is incredible. Just this week we hit 22,000 subscribers. We've already had nearly 100 since then, and it really is going up faster than ever. So best of luck guessing these 7. Again, a huge shout out to everyone that takes part. Again, I'm going to leave you a minute or so at the end with the videos on loop, just so you're not listening to me in the background and so you can really pay attention and try and figure out these coins. Again, I hope you've all had a really nice weekend. Best of luck with your coin hunts. And as always, guys, thanks for watching.